think the conference is brilliant. The unity is great. I mean, you get to meet people, you get to discuss ideas, and it's just like one big family. So I think it's great.
You know, being in like where we are today, seeing the network, seeing the infrastructure that goes behind it, the support, the website, the finance, the marketing, etc., etc. That's why you go to a franchise. There's always a good vibe around the Revive place whenever you're with people or in head office, etc. So I expect good things. There's always a nice family feel to the place, and it's a big company.
And I brought my techs with me, so it's good for them to see that it's not just us as an isolated pod of people, we're part of a big group, you know? So I think that's important for them to see.
It's nice to see everyone. It's nice to get news on what's happening outside your territory, and because you sort of have tram lines in focusing on your business and what's going on, but it's nice to get recognition and see what other people are doing and what they're doing better, and probably the other thing is walking around seeing the different suppliers and equipment. You can spend a fortune here.
I came here last year, and last year was focused on marketing and retail, and because of that I went away with a massive urge to improve retail, which we've done. We've improved retail probably by about 100% year on year. So that was because of what happened here last year. You know, this year it's growth and it's everything else, and I'll take that away with me.
I always find the conference really rewarding. It comes at that time of year when we all need a bit of a pick-up after a cold winter, and it gets your mojo going ready for the year ahead. So always enjoy it, and it certainly this year seems to be as good as ever.
We don't get to see everyone all the time. I speak to Northampton, Portsmouth. There's quite a few that we speak to. We don't really see them because the territory is so big. But yeah, it's a really good day.
The first one I went to was 6 of us round a table in a restaurant, and there's 200 people here today.
Yeah, it's been interesting seeing the business grow as a whole. It's exciting because you just don't know what you're going to get. I mean, it's going to be better and bigger every time you get it, and it's this is no exception, I think, to the rule. Really, it's quite exciting.
We brought all our team leaders and our technicians with us this year, so they've got their own breakout session at the moment, which is the first time they've done that, so yeah, that's good.
Just nice to catch up with people from head office as well as other people within the network. So.
And spend a bit of time with our technicians. We're not running around working all the time, which is because we're already spread out as well, because we come from quite a big area, so we don't always get a lot of time to meet up as well, so it's nice.
Because we've been in for so long, we've seen Revive UK, the head office, just improve constantly, and it's come up time and time again in this conference that they listen, and they do listen, and it's always improving. So yeah.
Yeah, the support network from Revive UK's changed massively over the last 16 years or so. It's really, really, really strong now.
Yeah, so I'd say if you're looking to run a business, but you may be a little bit wary about it, a bit frightened of going on your own, then the backup of head office, it's just wonderful.